Welcome to Persistence Bootcamp by AndroidAbcd. Well, I'm your instructor, Srinivasa Ashok Kumar. I'm a senior software engineer and an author. So in this episode, let's understand the capabilities of data types and what is exactly manifest typing. And going forward, we also have to understand that data types are called as classes as well. When you are writing a database, you could call the type as class. You can name it like text class, integer class, and things like that. And there are 5 data types. It's a major data types, and once you know all these 5 data types, you can play around with it. Type affinity is not enforced on the columns. So what exactly is type affinity? The type affinity of a column is the recommended type for data stored in the column. So you don't have any enforcement like the particular data type has to be placed in this particular column. The SQLite data types are enlisted below, which is text. It accepts various UTF-8 and 16-bit types. If once you choose the class as text, so you can enter character data type, text, and glob. So what is glob? A glob is a data type used by various database management systems like Oracle and Database 2 and other popular SQL engines. And glob is character large object which can hold up to 4 GB of characters. In the glob data type, it is similar to blob, but it includes only character encoding. And the next data type, integer, accepts 8 to 64-bit data. And if assigned data, which can range from negative 9,000 quadrillion or 9 exabyte minus 9 EB through a positive 9,000 quadrillion, which is positive 9,000 exabyte data, or if it is unsigned, it could range up to positive 18,000 quadrillion data. So the file system has certain limitations. For example, ext4 can have hypothetical limits. The next data type is real, which can accept the values of floating point. And it can accept double values and floating point values. And other popular data type is blob, which is nothing but a binary large objects, can hold images, PDFs, other kind of MIME type files. And the numeric value includes real, integer, floating, double, all of that values. And the null value is undefined. Like, when you have a column which is undefined, then it will have a null column type. And there is a possibility of a type affinity which can accept none, which holds nothing but no data association on a particular column. And the booleans are usually integer 0 and 1. These are like special integers. And if you have a dates which you want to save it in your database, you will choose text, real, integer, and other numeric type. So based on your date arrangements in your computer, for example, you can have a Linux epoch timestamp, then it will be a text or real. So depending on the date format you have, you can choose these formats.